Object चाहिए, so simply he will, what he or she will do, he will see that sentence that is making a complete sentence is a randomly out of the complete एकदम तरह मिला and this is the end. Unnecessary he or she is not going to go through it और probing नहीं करेगा क्या subject है, क्या feeling है, क्या है.
Okay. Direct in what context?
The matter is
Is no learning taking place, ma'am? Question mark?
Yes.
There is pronunciation of the syllable.
Yes.
No understanding.
The syllables. Understanding.
There is no understanding in the flow.
It was we are talking right now for the first question.
There is no understanding.
There is no understanding. Is it mechanical?
Yes.
Same sentence is given in the passage.
Again, now choice is your. Do you need the passage? Not for this one. Suffered heavy damage. Which statement is the correct sentence, right? So unless and until we tell our children, see, these things are necessary to make a complete statement or a sentence. Character से good question. Sir का भी question इससे related है, तो I have. So,
What do you say?
or
Yes,
quickly,
for what?
or quickly, you can even tell us what did we learn since morning.
That is from the text, of course it is. Think of it. Think again. What actually does it convey? It conveys that it is a very ever-evolving process. So we don't have to talk much about this, that what is that. So inform education policy decision. Asking the question, the right question only after I say that, okay, you have to write on this bottle what would be the idea. Some of you would visualize it as a cat, or some of you would visualize it as a beautiful female with a beautiful this. The others would say the glass is again, or the bottle is half filled, or the bottle is 1/4 filled or empty.
The examples that we are going to learn from. Read.
And today's class, the two teachers are standing. Okay? So let us talk to the entire class. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, clap. 3. Which we should include now is reflections. Okay.
Pitfalls, any breakers, then again you need to remediate. Alright? So that will be your reflection, and how you remediate will also be there, ma'am?
Yes.
That will come under remarks. You took an extra class. This thing comes under remarks.
Reflection again.
Right?
like
जी
this
sir.
form.
After the class, right?
After
Like
the
class is done, then we
Then.
decided, methodology also, but ultimately, did you have some discussion? And suppose it is something internally that is being taught, should be able to correlate and connect outward.
Abusive word तो आजकल वैसे ही right, very common. I asked, it's a bad job. क्या हुआ? अब वो टीचर से हो गया होगा कुछ. At times it happens. To be very honest. Teacher ने sorry बोलता है, second teacher नहीं सुनता. So then ask them to sit and then talk man to man. Then they come down. Then they realize and they themselves go and ask sorry, right? So please, these small tips, in case if you have, do keep on sharing. जब आप थोड़े से hibernation period में चले जाओगे थोड़ी देर बाद.
And even otherwise also. If I start asking you what are the challenges, आप सब के पास कम से कम in 1 second, 1 minute will have 50 kind of challenges. बच्चे सुनते नहीं हैं, मानते नहीं हैं, ये बॉडी लैंग्वेज होता है, पेरेंट्स ऐसे करते हैं, मोबाइल लाते हैं, ये blah 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 things.
Red but longer. The chocolate cream soldier.
Have you read that? What does the chocolate cream soldier carries with him? Bullets, ammunition, or chocolate? It transforms into knowledge. It becomes good.